Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Zoho CRM for customer management, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Zoho CRM website. Create an account if you do not already have one. Log in to your Zoho CRM account. Navigate to the settings section in the top right corner of your dashboard. Select subscriptions from the drop-down menu. Choose the type of subscription that fits your business needs. Review the features included in each subscription plan. Fill out the required billing information in the provided fields. Enter your payment details securely. Confirm your subscription by clicking on the Confirm button. You will receive a confirmation email regarding your subscription. Log back into your Zoho CRM account after confirming your subscription. Navigate to the Customer Management section from the main menu. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Start adding your customers by selecting the Add Customer button. Complete the fields with the customer's information. Save each entry to update your customer database. Use the customer segmentation feature to organize your clients effectively. Explore the automation tools available for managing customer interactions. Stay updated with new features and enhancements within Zoho CRM. Review your subscription plan periodically to ensure it meets your growing needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.